So in this section, we will do testing and verification and standalone deployment. We done all the steps. Okay, we create this topology, we configure the interfaces, we configure these hosts. Okay, we done first time visit. Okay, and after that we configure a default route to send the traffic to this IP, and then we configure access policy to allow all the traffic, and then we create a net for this one and also for this one to go outside. And now finally I need to check these PC that they can reach to the internet or not. So let me go to PC1. Before it was not working google.com, and let refresh, and now you can see I can access google.com. And if I go to Facebook, so hopefully I can reach to Facebook or any website as well. So let me click on Facebook and it will open up Facebook, and you can see it's okay. So from LAN it's okay. Let's go to DMZ, because we already create a net rule for DMZ as well, so that our DMZ PC can reach outside. So let me open a browser, and also let me show you the IP address. So system tool and go to terminal. Okay, and if I type fconfig ethernet 0, so our IP is 2.20, it's okay. And now if I type facebook.com, so I hope so it will be reachable to Facebook. Yeah, so it's reachable. And let's see, can I ping outside or not? So let me see, ping 8.8.8, so I can reach to 8.8.8 as well, and now it's working. So let me close this terminal, let me close, and definitely it will go from here. Now I need to go back here and let's see. So let's go to policy again. This the policy which is hitting, and track is enabled, and these are the logs. So now you can see the logs. 1.20 is going to DNS Google, and 1.2.20 is also going to DNS, and also for ICMP. You can click on any one and you can verify. So this is the way today, this is the time, blade is firewall, this is the connection, 1.20, this is our source. Okay, this is the source port random, going to HTTPS 443 on Ethernet 3, this one Ethernet 3, and now this is internal and it's going to this public IP. Action is accepted, it's a standard policy, and this is the detail, and the rule which is hit, this is cleanup rule, which is the default rule. And also net is there because you are using net, so it's showing the net IP 172.129.129.1. okay, so it's showing this IP, so net is there, and also the policy, and match rule is this one. You can see cleanup rule because we have only one rule, this one. So let's go back, testing and verification. We test and we check the logs, and also you can see, if you don't want to see from here, there is a separate navigation, this one, logs and monitor, so you can see them from here as well, which we will discuss in detail later on, but this is just a topology to show you standalone deployment. So now you can see the same detail here as well, and that's it. So this was the testing and verification final step of our topology, which was standalone deployment. So this is our standalone deployment topology. We configure each and everything, and then we test them. So our two security gateway and security management server is installed in one box, and this is our smart console. So this type of deployment is called standalone deployment.